Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Kite Up. Today I will show you how to log in your account on BeReal app. So let's get straight to the video. First open the BeReal app and then tap on the continue button at the bottom of the page. Tap continue again and then tap continue once again. Now at the bottom of the page you will see get started option. Tap on that and then give your name. And then tap on the continue button at the bottom of the page. Now type in your birthday. Now once again tap on the continue button at the bottom of the page. Now give your number. Tap on continue button at the bottom of the page. Now you will see a dialog box which says the code has been sent to your number. Tap on OK. Now type in your code. Now you are successfully logged into your account. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.